Hello, it's Demian from the project. Today I'm very excited. We are going to replace the headlights on the 2023 Thor Pasadena. The original lights are not bright enough, and we are going to replace the headlights for new LED lights. I'm going to show you how to do it. We are here at the shop. These are the new LED headlights, originally from Freightliner. Okay. These headlights, they are plug and play. We need to very easy use these three tools. We need a torque 30, we need a 10 millimeters wrench, and we need a pick. To have a better view of the space, we are going to remove this flap cover with three screws that they are here using the torque 30 bit, and then that is going to give us full space directly here to the headlight. We are going to push here to unlock the wire. Now that we pull the tie wrap for the cable, we are going to unscrew this piece out. Do not pull this up because you are going to break it. Now with the 10 millimeters, we are going to unscrew this screw and this screw. Now that we have all three screws here, here, and here out, we are going to disconnect the two wires entering into the headlight, and that is going to get the headlight out. We are going to put the new headlight. Be careful with this screw, okay, because you can scratch the front of the headlight, okay? And this way here first, okay, this side. Now the other side. And then the front. We are going to use the same washers we took out. First, we are going to put this screw. We are going to put the two washers back and the nuts. We are not going to tie this yet until we have the top screw inside. Then finally we are going to get on these two, because we are screwing directly on the insert that is inside the fiber. I recommend to put the screw first with your hand, you know, until you see that goes loose, and then finally use the tool to get that tight. Now we are going to reconnect the two lights. Be careful with this lock. The black goes on the side here, and the big one under here connect on this one here, and this goes right here. Finally, the two cable locks, the ties here, screw back this tie, then goes around here, and you pass it through this here to get that tie, and the same one with the other side. Last, we are going to put the protector here. Okay, first try to find the hole. Okay, here it is. First one done. Second one done. And the last one here. Don't forget to put the washers in between. These are the ones with the torque 30. And now that they are in, we are going to do the final tight. Okay guys, that's all. The job is complete. Now we are going to turn the lights on and see how that goes.